Welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to make your liked videos private on TikTok. Now, if you want to grow and succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to make your liked videos private on TikTok. And on your profile, you need to come to this top right corner and click this three-line menu. And on this pop-up screen below here, you need to select this option, Settings and Privacy, to have this next screen. And on this screen, you need to come to this account section and click this privacy option. And on this next screen, you need to scroll down to this safety section, then click this option, liked videos. And on this other screen, you need to choose only me can watch my liked videos, and your liked videos will become private on your profile. And to make your liked videos public again, you need to come to this same screen and choose everyone can watch my liked videos. And still on this private screen, you can make your TikTok account private. And you just need to come to this discoverability section and turn on this toggle button. And below here, you can make other settings on all these options, including direct messages, blocked accounts, and profile views. Now, this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.